northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent lies the Thar Desert, an undulating expanse of sand dunes and plains. This dry, scanty landscape has a story to tell, of spectacular diversity of life, uniquely adapted to these harsh conditions. Someone has left an unusual track on the sand dunes. The dung beetle. Moving in a straight line helps the dung beetle to quickly reach safety and keep its ball of dung away from a competitor. Some dung beetles in Africa have even evolved to use the glow of the Milky Way to find their way. Occasionally, swarms of desert locusts invade the Thar, an open invitation to many species of birds, like this hoopoe, and closely watched by another species, the drongo. The clever and fearless drongo thinks it's easier to snatch than catch its prey. By raising false alarms, drongos often trick other species into dropping their quarry. These sand dunes and semi-arid deserts also contain an array of reptiles that can withstand extreme temperatures. One such species is the rare Rajasthan toad-headed lizard. Perfectly adapted to the shifting sand dunes of the Thar, they are masters of camouflage. Plants too have evolved to survive the vagaries of the desert. They have an ingenious root system to best absorb the little moisture present in the ground. Life in the desert has evolved under specific, precise, and delicate conditions with equilibrium. Any change to this balance can be devastating. But the Thar, like other deserts, is changing. Climate change research shows shifting rainfall patterns, higher temperatures, and more demand for water. As the global biodiversity crisis and the devastating impacts of climate change loom large, it is important, now more than ever, to protect this life-sustaining equilibrium of the Thar.